Part 2. Part 2.
Yes, sir. Conduct of business in court and office good. B. Quality of judgment average. His knowledge of procedural and substantive law is not up to the mark. Quantity of work. He has earned 926.25 units and 177 actual working days. So his average unit is 5.23 per day, which comes under very good category. He has earned only 89.65 units in civil cases, which is less than the 30 units per month as per actual working days. And as per norms fixed by the Honorable High Court, white letter, DO letter number 1154, dated 14/12/21, it shows that he is not interested in disposal of civil cases. Improvement is required. Units earned by the officer is 66.25 from ADR cases, which is 5.35%, which is less than 10%. And units earned by the officer is 466.54 from cases pending more than 3 years, which is 37.65%, which is more than norms fixed by the report.
This document is dated.
This is this is actually the ACR of 2021. Madam, may see the leader page, page 64.
21.
Yes, sir.
And he was discharged from service?
He was discharged by annexure P was
In 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Right.
Then Madam, may see further, Madam. I was reading on that page. Madam, may see 3, Madam, item number 3 of that same page, page 71. Capacity of management, leadership, initiative, planning and decision making average, interpersonal relationship and teamwork average, state of health good, period under observation of the district judge or the portfolio judge from 1/1/21 to 31/12/21, integrity beyond doubt, no complaint from any source received against him, general assessment, overall assessment of the officer is good. Then this is signed by the principal district and secretary Betul Manu.
Right.
Then Manu, it goes to the honorable portfolio judge. I agree with the comments, that is 4, serial number 4. I agree with comments and grade given by the principal district judge. Then Madam, I turn over to the next page, the Honorable Chief Justice, grading approved is C. Similarly, Madam, for the next year, that is 2022. Madam, may kindly come to part 2 of this. That would be on page 84. Madam, may see from B, quality of judgment, marshalling and appreciation of evidence. Points for determination were not dealt with separately, one by one, without any legal necessity and distinct advantages. All points for determination were taken up together. In marshalling, there is reproduction of witness statement. There is less grouping together of relevant statements of witness for and against particular facts. Evidence of 1872 does not direct a judge to decide about the basis on which application is to take place. It is left to the wisdom and experience of a judge. Having regard to the length of service of the officer, the marshalling and application of evidence is adequate.
Yeah.
Interpretation and application of law. Officers should be acquainted with the basic principles, guiding rules, subsidiary rules of interpretation, along with the provisions of the General Clauses Act 1897, MP General Clauses Act 1957, is able to apply the correct law on the facts and circumstances of the case as reflected from the language and orders. Thus, the skill of interpretation and application of law is average. Then, Madam, may kindly see language of the judgment. By virtue of memo number 1282 dated 20/21/1977 of the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, and laid down law in the case of Dr. Shiv Sharma versus R.K. Srivastava of Honorable Court of Madhya Pradesh. Hindi language and Devanagari script has been used in judicial work. Judgments were temporarily worded. Personal imputations in the judgments are not found. Technical words and phrases known in the language of judgment has been used. Brevity, simplicity, and clarity in the judgments are required to improve quantity of work. After discussing the percentage and other things, Madam, may come to the board, Madam, on the basis of 220 working days. Dr. Button. That is, it is the 4th paragraph,
Yeah.
5th paragraph. On the basis of 220 working days, the officer has earned 4.68 units per day. As such, with a view to quantity of work, the officer has done average standard of work. About 25 old cases, Madam, will come to the last one. Leadership good, initiative good, planning and decision good. His relationship with staff, colleagues and members of bar is good. His behavior and attitude towards litigant and witness is also very good. Then Madam, will come to 8. The Kaustav Khera is a person of good character and reputation. He has taken good interest in disposal of pending criminal cases, but he shows laziness in disposal of pending civil cases. He is not trained mediator and therefore he could only refer the cases. Thus, he could not earn the 10% units through the ADR mechanism. The attention of the judicial officer has not been in judicial work, but more on extraneous subjects. His performance required more hard work and conscientiousness towards judicial work. Considering the above entries and no explanation and reasons submitted by Mr. Kaustav Khera, the overall performance, including conduct, behavior, and potential of Mr. Khera is of average standard, grading D, signed by the Third District Judge.
Just D means
D means average.
Average.
Then, Madam, I turn over to the next page. It is after page 87, page 88, part 3. This is how the Honorable Portfolio did. Grade C is approved for final grading as per order dated 30th August 2023 of the Honorable Justice. So D was improved to C. Then,
if these comments may be highlighted, the remarks of the Honorable Portfolio Judge, it is very important. At para number 4 on page 88 only. If I may read these remarks.
You will read. Remark 4. Remarks.
Yes, sir. As per general assessment note of Sri Kaustav Khera given by Principal District and Sessions Judge Bench, Sri Khera does not take any interest in judicial work, but more on extraneous subjects. I personally met him, who told him from the last 6 months he is having matrimonial problem due to which he is mentally disturbed. From his side and his wife's side, the pending matrimonial matters are disposed of. He came there in April 2022. Previously, he was the target in regard of disposal of cases. He was posted at Betulman, where due to COVID pandemic situation, there was a lockdown. Besides this, for 15 days, he was at Jyotri, due to which he could not achieve the target in regard to disposal of cases. I talked with Sri Asim Ahmed Abbasi, Additional Judge Lehed, who has inspected the work of Mr. Khera, and from that, Mr. Khera requires some guidance and when required, as he is new at present place of posting. Besides, there is no shortcomings in his work. He commands good reputation. It is true that Sri Khera could not achieve the target of disposal of cases, but looking to his personal problem, grading D given to him by the Principal District and Session Judge Board requires to be upgraded, therefore is upgraded to C in case of.
And I made a representation in this light only, your lordships.
Right. Right.
Then, Madam, next page is the final approval by the Honorable Chief Justice as C. Madam. Then, Madam, I turn over to the next page. This is for the year 2023. Madam, may come to part 2 again of this. That would be on page 97. Now, Madam, may say it's a table, Madam. It's in a tabular form. Madam may have a perusal of this. Quality of judgment order. This is on page 97, Madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
1A, language satisfactory, narration satisfactory, clarity in thought, good, conclusion, good, knowledge of law, good. Then next page. These are nothing adverse heard, but these are all good and very good. Between good and very good, satisfactory. One is satisfactory, meaning that item number is.
Right.
Then, Madam, may come to the next page. Overall view. Though he has disposed of 96 out of 100 listed cases under this debt scheme and has also earned average of 8.04 units per day, which falls in very good category, the quality of judgments ordered, orders passed by him is below expectation. The judgments orders are written in very slipshod manner, lacking discussion of evidence and margin. Copy of inspection note for the enclosed with that. Rating was given C by the London District Judge, inspection judge, District Judge inspection. Then my lord may have a perusal on page 100, Madam. This is the by the Honorable Portfolio Judge, Madam. And the final grading which has been awarded is D, Madam.
And I have been upgraded on all these
Just a
parameters.
minute. This is also part of the reason. You don't have patience. And judicial office should have patience. 3-4 times we warned you. Let him complete. Don't interject like this. If you wish to, you just note down. This is what the problem with you. Yes, please.
Madam, see paragraph 5, Madam. The comments recorded by the Honorable Portfolio Judge of the District. I agree with the assessment made by the District Judge, inspection Gujarat Road. Then, Madam, may come to the next page. Overall view serial number 11, madam. Rest is all agree, madam. Very good. Overall view is very good. And then grading has been given, very good. Final grading awarded by the Honorable Chief Justice. So on the basis of this report, madam, the comprehensive assessment chart was prepared, madam, and that was placed before the Honorable Administrative Committee, madam. That we have placed on record. That is that minutes is there, madam, on record. That is page 33 of my return, annexation R26.